Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the cutest boots combo in Dress to Impress. So if you're looking for the perfect boots combo to slay your looks in DTI, in this stylish tutorial, I'll show you the cutest boot styles to rock every outfit. So this is the boots that I created. So if you want to use also this one for your next runway, you can just follow my steps here. So first you can just go to the shoe rack in here and put on these boots. You can change the color if you want to, but I'm not going to change it, so I'm going to just leave it as it is. And next you can just go to this shelf in here and choose this like warmer, and you can just choose the patterns that you like. Here I'm using these patterns right here, and you can now put on this stockings in here, and I'm going to change the lace into black like this, and also the first color. So this is the final look for the cutest boots combo. I hope you like this one. Whether you're going for cozy, chic or daring, this guide will help you create the head-turning outfits. If you love this combo, be sure to like, comment your favorite boot style and subscribe. Also click on thanks for more must-try fashion looks in DTI. Bye!